My name is Santosh Sinha. I am physics teacher. Today my topic is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric slab. So this is the figure of parallel plate capacitor. Here dielectric slab that is introduced, which thickness is T. The distance between both the plates of the capacitor is D. So here electric field E0 is outside the dielectric slab. So EP is the polarization vector and E that is equal to E naught minus EP. So here the parallel plate capacitor is given by formula epsilon naught A by D. This is the equation number 1. The electric polarization vector P in the direction of E naught induces an electric field EP opposite to E0. So therefore effective field inside the dielectric slab that is given by this formula. And E vector that is equal to E naught minus EP, polarization vector. So outside the dielectric field remains E0 only. So here potential difference between the given by plates that is equal to U naught D minus T, that is the difference between D total distance minus T, that is equal to D minus T, plus this dielectric slab that is equal to ET. This is the equation number 2 here. We know that U naught by E that is equal to epsilon naught that is equal to K, dielectric constant. So here E is equal to E naught by K. This is equation 3 here. Putting the value of E in equation 2, so in the equation 2 becomes, then the equation 2 becomes V is equal to U naught D minus T plus U naught K into T here. So take U naught common here, so D minus T plus T by K here. So this is the equation number 4 here. So here we know that U naught is equal to also sigma divided by epsilon naught. Sigma is charge per unit area. So Q by A, epsilon naught. This is equation 5. Putting the value of epsilon naught here, then the equation 4 becomes V is equal to A Q divided by A epsilon naught D minus T plus T by K here. So here we know that the capacitance is given by Q divided by V. So here putting the value of V here, so in the denominator that goes on the numerator A epsilon naught divided by D minus T plus T by K, and Q that is to cancel out. So here formula is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D minus T common here, so that is equal to 1 minus 1 by K here. So clearly this shows that C is greater than C naught. That means and introduction of dielectric slab between the plates of the capacitor, its capacitance increase. So that is equal to capacitance will increase. So here that is equal to C naught here. So when the case, particular cases, when T is equal to D here, so thickness of dielectric slab that is equal to distance, therefore C becomes K epsilon naught A by D. So that is equal to C becomes K epsilon C naught. Matlab capacity becomes K times. Here K into C naught means K times here. So capacity will increase here. So K times. Thank you in this video. This is all about the capacitance when the parallel dielectric slab introduced in the parallel plate capacitor. So this is the equation, and then the equation becomes like putting the value here, and then they simplified the equation. So this is the most important formula, that is equal to capacitance equal to epsilon naught A divided by D minus T bracket 1 minus T by 1 by K here. So this is very important for the physics of class 12. Thank you in this video. Take a screenshot.